thank you so much for watching my video. I wanted to do today a tutorial on applying ponytail. I wear wigs and ponytails a lot. I love them. They just make me so happy. It's like you can be anybody that you want to be every single day. Love wearing it. Today I wanted to do a review on, let's see, the instant ponytail wrap. This is by Sensationnel. This is kind of one of those ponytails where they have like the two combs in it, and also like the extra piece of hair to like wrap around to make it look like your hair. So it does come with steps on the back. Also, I love ponytails like these because it just gives you a break from the regular drawstring. I'm getting tired of the regular drawstring. It's just like you're trying to like take a piece of hair from it. Well, first of all, you tie the string up as tight as possible, and you have to like find you like a piece of hair to like wrap around that ponytail. You know, it's just, and it just kind of gets like a little irritating how it just kind of sits within the ball of your hair. So, you know, I'm kind of glad that they really come out with these. So right now I got my hair all slicked back. I oiled my scalp, you know, put a little edge control around it. I'm still practicing on that. I got it permed. I'm sorry, I just like cream crack. No offense to, you know, natural hair ladies, y'all look great. It's just I prefer me getting a perm because I'm not gonna want to like comb my hair. Like if I feel like I can't comb my hair, it's a freaking problem. So I can't manage natural hair. I have to every 6 to 8 weeks I just gotta get a perm. And then, you know, this is what I like best, and I take care of my hair when it's, you know, permed and, you know, stuff like that. And also when the perm is good enough, wash it every week, yada yada. But, you know, natural hair ladies, y'all do that stuff. Like, I mean, y'all maintain it very well. So, you know, no shame on y'all or nothing like that. Like, I love to see y'all natural hair. It's just, I can't do it. You know, I can't do it. I just can't. All right. So, let's see here what we got. All right, so here is the extra piece of hair that they're talking about. Try to get this out. So, this one, by the way, that I have is called Curly Body 24. My color is always a 2, so I tried to get the 2, you know, just to see what it looked like. And then, you know, if I really enjoy it, then I'm gonna get probably like one of the other colors, you know, that has like the black first and then the whatever color I want, whether it's red or brown, you know, something like that. Let's see. I'm also doing this video because a lot of people don't really know how to apply ponytails or wigs to their hair. So I do it all the time, and people say, oh my God, your hair looks so natural. Like, is that yours? I'll be like, no, it's not. But, you know, I have no shame in that because, you know, people ask me all the time. I have no shame in it. I just know how to like blend it in very well. And I normally wear half wigs, and you know, I just blend in the front part of my hair with a wig. Let's see. I gotta put my hair in a ponytail, so let me try to fix that. let's see what we're working with. A lot of times when I get something this curly, I kind of like to brush it out a little bit, but in this case I think it's not going to brush out like any other wig or ponytail would do. I think I probably just have to do, you know, mess with my fingers. But like if I want it super duper big, then you know I just kind of like, I guess lightly brush it out or whatever. So you know you can probably like get this extra oomph, you know, make it look like you're a real pretty Dominican girl or something. Also, it comes with like this extra plastic band or something like that. I'm afraid that you can take this off, but I'm kind of afraid to, like when I get ready to wrap my hair, I do not want my hair caught up in this part. I'm talking about, well, yank your hair out. Dude, I don't even remove it, because I have another ponytail just like this one. You know, they make the same one, but mine's straight and it's yaki. And it's like incredibly long. It's like 30 inches, but like they have that same band on here, and I just don't really want to mess with it. Okay, so they want you to use this first comb here. You're gonna just put it like to the side of your bun. Okay, so you ready? You watching? All right, cool. All right, so I'm just gonna tuck it in here. Also, get you some bobby pins ready too. Alright, so you're just gonna kind of like wrap it around your bun, and like when I get to like the top of this point, I'm gonna secure this ponytail with a bobby pin. So I'm gonna get me a bobby pin. Try to get me one of the ones that ain't really. Just get you like one of those good bobby pins that you have not even used before. Not the ones that have like the black piece stuck out, because it's gonna like hurt your hair like really, really bad. So, alright, so I'm just gonna like try to secure this with a bobby pin here. If I can get it in there. Alright, seems like I kind of did it. Let me take that out in a second. Okay, let me just stick this one here. Alright, that feels secure for me. Alright, now I'm just going to wrap the rest of this around. You know? Just going to wrap this around. And the comb in the middle is coming up. So you're going to keep wrapping around. Tuck the comb in your ponytail. Let's see, if I were you, I'd probably like stick another bobby pin like underneath here, just to secure it. Thing about bobby pins, they just like to tangle when they want to, you know, so you kind of like gotta get it straight and stuff. So, alright, cool. Alright, so I'm wrapping it around. Oh, and I'm there. Alright, so what I want to do from this point, I got my ponytail already wrapped on. Alright, so what I want to do here now is just go ahead and take this piece and wrap it all the way around. Wrap it all the way around. Kind of comb it from time to time too if you want it like completely straight. Wrap it around and just wherever it might stop. You want to get to another bobby pin, of course. And you're going to tuck her in. Alright, let's see how this beautiful thing looks. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh. I still want to brush it out a little bit more, but I love the texture of it. It's like it's incredibly soft. Like if you guys get ready to, if it gets like really nappy on you and you need to like wash it, make sure you get you some good wig shampoo. I got a good one that you can probably use. Control wig shampoo. It has like a, it's got like a coconut scent to it, but it's really good if you want to wash your wigs. Also, after you wash your wigs, you're gonna try to hang them. You're going to get you like a big tooth comb. I prefer one of these you're gonna comb it out with this end here, and then once it kind of, you know, detangles, kind of go into this end, and then eventually this end, and you're going to detangle it. You can use this detangler, or you know, you can get one of these. These are really good too. This non-oily. It has really pretty. It has really nice scents. I'm sorry. So, but yeah, back to the wig. I mean the ponytail. It is really soft. It's long. I didn't even know it's gonna be this long, like for real. And this is a 24-inch. I don't think they make a 30-inch like they would make other ones. But I kind of just, you know, brush it out just a tad bit because I just want like a little bit more oomph to it. But this is really soft. It's really nice. I love it. And it just looks and feels amazing. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, that is it. So shout out to Sensationnel. I have got this ponytail from samsbeauty.com. Samsbeauty.com is awesome with selling, you know, all the hair. You can pick, they have a lot of variety of wigs and ponytails and just things like that. So just kind of look around on there. They always have $4.99 shipping if you buy $30 worth of whatever. So it's really neat. That's like one of my favorite hair sites to shop on, for real. So I had to get like 2 of these. I had to get this one, and I had to get the one that was Yaki one. So I'm in love, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Do me a favor and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thank you. I love you so much.